from.
Looks good.
Alright, something's off. Yeah, I think the trunk is upside down.
That's much better.
What is up, guys? We are back with our truck build with our Ford F-150. So we're gonna start off this video with taking the truck to alignment, check the frame, get the alignment done, bring it back here, and we're gonna start putting it together, the front end, the interior. So once we bring it here, we're gonna figure out what to do next. And so let's just get to it and take the car to alignment and get that done with.
Doesn't have gas. Hopefully we'll make it.
I love the new hood latch.
Yeah, it's
pretty sick.
Billy Rig 2.0.
Alright guys, we brought the truck to the alignment shop. My brother is working on it right now. He's gonna take care of it. But check out that Bronco build that my brother is working on, that he got for himself. He completely pulled out the engine. You can see he painted pretty much. This is basically the color of the engine. It's gonna be, I think it's a pretty dope color. He pretty much pulled everything apart. All the engine, the transmission, he's what are you doing? You're just restoring everything? Rebuilding the whole engine, everything. It's gonna be a sick Bronco, to be honest. It's a Bronco 2. What year is it? 87? It's an 87. So after it's complete, it's gonna be sick. It's gonna have the off-road tires, a lift kit on it, probably change the color to like a gloss army green. So let's just have a little walk around on it, just check it out.
There's a transfer case.
Yep.
Transmission,
and there's nothing in here. It's all out.
empty bay.
All of this is pretty much getting restored, cleaned up. At the end, it's gonna be a super sick Bronco. So every time we're gonna come to this shop, we're gonna go through it. We're gonna show you guys the process. And at the end, once it's done, this is not our build, it's my brother's build. It's for himself. It's gonna be like kind of personal car. But check this out. It has power windows and power seats. Our 2018 Jeep doesn't even have this. We have to like pull and slide around back and forth.
We're only like 35 years behind.
Look at this. And the thing is, it all works. That's the thing. It's pretty clean interior for this year. Has a little tear right here. So, but that's nothing that can be fixed. So this is gonna be sick at the end. Alright guys, we are done with the alignment. We're just gonna get it started. There you go, it started. So we're taking it back to our shop and we're gonna start working on it right away. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we got the truck back into the shop. We're gonna start working on the interior. We're gonna pull off the seat. Since it's ripped, we're gonna send the seat in to get it restitched. And while they're working on the seat, we're gonna complete the front. And check out this truck. It comes so limited. This thing comes with curtains. Yeah, that's pretty limited edition. I've never seen curtains inside a truck, so I don't know why that side's missing, but we're probably gonna have to install it.
Even your G-Wagon doesn't have curtains.
So yeah, we're probably gonna have to install that side, curtains on that side.
Oh look, there's a curtain here too, for your face.
So I finally took the airbag off. The plugs were melted. You gotta kind of like pry them out But yeah, now we gotta change these.
Alright guys, we removed the curtain, the side curtain. We should have a new one, right? Yep. We got a new one right here. So we're just gonna put it right back.
Let's see if it's the same first.
So we're gonna install this curtain on this side. Since we were missing one on that side, we're probably just gonna install the old one. Just both sides could just have curtains inside the truck, so. So we changed the headliner airbag on the passenger side, installed a new one, that's done. We took off the leather from the seat, we gotta restitch it. We gotta buy a new airbag for the seat, so that's still in the process. And we got a new airbag for the steering wheel as well right here that we wanted to install, but looks like we're gonna have to change the clock spring on it, so we're gonna order that and then we're gonna install the airbag. So we're gonna leave the interior right now where it is. And we're gonna move on to sanding down all the parts that we need to sand down and get it ready for paint. Take it in for paint tomorrow, get that painted and start putting together the front end. Try to complete that and pretty much wait on the clock spring and the leather seat to get restitched and finish that. And this is pretty much going to be complete, so let's get to it. So we don't got much to paint on this car, only this fender and the bumper, which Roman is working on right now. Sand that down. Gonna tape it off a little bit, sand this down, send it in for paint tomorrow morning. Hopefully they get it done tomorrow, and the next day we can pretty much complete the whole front end, put everything back together. Alright guys, we're about to get dirty, so let's get to it.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Alright guys, so this is the original one from the bumper. And then this one, we actually bought it used. It's cheaper that way. And it does have a couple little dings, scratches. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill it with this putty right here. It's the same thing as basically Bondo. Once it dries, it hardens really hard. And yeah, it's just for little scratches. I don't want to Bondo the primer and all that. Let's go.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah.
Alright guys, this fender is looking nice and smooth, so we just gotta remove it and just pretty much take this and the other two plastics in for paint tomorrow morning and get it done. Alright guys, it's a wrap for today. Tomorrow morning we're gonna send in the parts for paint and hopefully they get it painted tomorrow. If we can't get back to the car tomorrow, it's gonna be the day after and we can finally complete the front end. So we'll catch you guys either tomorrow or the day after. Alright guys, we are back. We finally got our parts from paint. We got the fender, the two plastics for the bumper. So we're gonna start pretty much completing the front end. So let's just get right to it and start putting everything, all the parts back on the car.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. na-na.
Alright guys, we adjusted the gaps, everything looks perfect on the door, the fender, the hood, the fender. So we took off the headlight so it was a little bit easier to adjust it. So we're gonna put the headlight right back while he's finishing actually putting together the grill, taking off the, I guess, old bolts, clips from the broken grill, and just whatever we can salvage from the old, we just put it on the new. And we're just gonna throw it right in the truck. Is on, the covers, headlight covers are on, the grill is complete. Now we're just gonna throw on the bumper and just see how it aligns with the frame, since we had the frame rebuilt. So we're gonna see if everything aligns, all the holes, and once everything aligns, we're gonna complete it and pin it. So let's get to it. Inside there, up. Alright. Boom.
Looks good.
Alright, something's off. Look at the Ford emblem. I think
That's much better.
yeah, I think the trunk is upside down. Alright, so this is an eBay grill. So we actually got the grill used like this for actually a really good deal. So I don't know what's up with this. So I think maybe they had an extra logo they wanted to throw it on. So they threw it upside down. So basically what we need to do, as you can see this grill right here, we need to remove all the plastics that are inside just to get to these little
Shutters.
So yeah, let's get the...
We have to remove the shutters. I have to remove the shutters. There's no we. There's an I. Me, myself, and I.
Alright guys, the time has caught up with us. So what we got left on this truck is the little deke right here on the hood. We're gonna have the dent removal guy come out, actually remove that. We don't want to do no bondo or repaint the whole hood because of it. So we do gotta flip the grill back upside down, not the
Or
grill,
just flip the whole truck over.
The logo, we gotta flip the logo. So We got just little things left, like the driver's side airbag. We got the seat actually restitched, and the airbags, we got all new airbags. So for the next video, we are gonna fully complete this truck. We hope you guys enjoyed this build, and if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and we're gonna be back next video, fully completed the truck. We'll catch you guys next video.